Today we will be covering Water Palace while coming back. And right now we are moving towards the airport. AMBPR, Amber. Second one we have in Rajasthan, in Kumbhalgarh, and third one we have in Jaipur right here. So what a lovely view and perfect time for photography with the perfect soft light.
Wow, haba.
हाँ यार रोकेंगे अपन है पानी देंगे अपने अब पानी
There.
पानी तो है
So, bumaba na po tayo at marami po tayo mga pakan dito, mga jackpot, alam na this kasi maraming elephant. Kaya nga, puro unggoy doon.
May cobra na naman ba?
Cobra? Hindi na naka-get over. Wala, ibang tunog na to. Oh, this way.
Gusto ko lang puto dito.
Sige, sige, may time yan.
Most important site we have right here, which was used back in the days in 17th century when, of course, there is a problem of water, as I told you, like 10% water land and of course only 1% water for the 10% part of the country. So it's not a good ratio. So if you go like 300 kilometers, then you can see big deserts like the Thar desert. Like our jeep's names are also Thar, Thar, Thar. So in the desert, the people, they carry the pot of water and then they pull the water from the rope and of course they collect the water from different oases. It's so hard life. And water level, since we are close to these mountains and it's quite easy to collect the mountains waters in the monsoon's time. So it comes up from the hills and down there are lots of water bodies. So like that, we have lots of water bodies, different water structure, and it's something unique right here in front of you. One can go down, like see my fingers. So it's a crisscross way, diamond motif steps, so it's easy to go down, and it is easy to relax in the summer. It's like a room side. These are changing rooms on the right side for ladies. Boys on the left side, on the right side for ladies. Even today we are not allowed to go down because it's not more use, and that's why it is not in good condition. But after 40 years, we had a good monsoon this year, and the water level was very good. Can you see the white line?
Yeah. Yes.
It was full up to this level. So we have been lucky today, this year, and we have been lucky today, so you can see more fresh water, and it's good life, you can see. So basically it was used as a rendezvous to enjoy the time, to enjoy the activities, to enjoy the festivities, and of course it was good to enjoy the summers in summer afternoon. The 3 degrees much cooler once they go down. And as well as in the winter they can have sun baths, ceremony, sermons, parties, temples after holy bath. So they clean the sins and then they can go for attending some ceremonies in the temple.
Okay guys, so nandito tayo sa Panam Mina. Water sa baba niya. Pero I'm not sure, bawal yata ngayong bumaba. Pero ang ganda dito guys. Parang kapareho daw siya sa Granada in Spain. Which, I've been to Spain but not in Granada. So this is how it looks like guys. Very nice. So we're done na here. Talagang photoshoot lang po ng 5 minutes kasi sobrang traffic na, lipat na daw ulit kami.
Beautiful umbrella.
Ganda ng weather.
May sun pero
Oo, pero may konting lamig, no? Oh. Yeah, okay, bye. So we're going up the hill na after namin sa Panam Mina steps. So we're here na.
Welcome to.
Can we go to the shadow?
Yes, please.
Shadow.
So this is the first level of this palace. It's called Jaleb Chowk in the Persian language. Means the office of the square. So the palace has been developed into 3 different levels, like the 3 steps like this. 3 steps like this. So this is the lowest part of the palace. It was used as a barracks for security guards. Then second level was used as a public audience, and third level was used as a private audience. The whole of private audience. 4 levels, and at the last, the house of 12 ladies. The 12 room of 12 ladies. It took almost 130 years to build by 3 different generations. By 3 different generations. And the foundation stone of this palace was started in the last part of the 16th century.
So, ito yung kanilang welcoming sound. So, dun sila tumutugtog dun sa taas. Sa Jaipur, India. So ngayon naman aakyat tayo sa Singpol. So may ticket pala going up. Guys, so here are the steps. Okay guys, so here at the top already. And there's so many students again. So here's the view from the top.
Filipino?
Yeah.
We are going inside. Please come.
Filipino.
One, please come inside. 2, 3.
Okay, nandito na tayo sa top guys, and yan, ito naman ang view. Aerial view niya. Itong whole place. Super nice guys. So love it here. Against the light, but here's the other side. Hindi against the light. Guys, so ito pa yung ibang area na pwede nyong i-check here. Tingnan natin kung anong meron dito. Ayan. Let's check. Wow, parang Switzerland guys. Kahit hindi pa tayo nakapag-Switzerland. And then below, nandito yung mga elephant. So ito yung sinasabi nilang parang mini Great Wall of China. So ayun yung city naman sa other side. Maganda, super love ko dito sa Jaipur. Parang ano to, desert. So many birds guys. So after kayo welcome sa first level, so bibili ng ticket. So aakyat naman dito sa second level. And then these are the temples na makikita nyo dito. Gana here. So aakyat naman tayo. Going up.
What is going to do?
We have a great point for photography, especially with the colors. These are the natural gemstones colors. Ruby, sapphire, and that's all gold was. See the reflection from here? Really reflection from here. And it's all plastered. The line plastered. Yoga, Arabic comes.
Design like a carpet. There was a carpet.
Now we are on the 3rd level. Ito naman, yung makikita nyo. Ang ganda, no? This is the historical site. Again, guys, we are now here in Jaipur. And, yeah, I think this is the second to the last before we ended.
We have one of the best part of the palace was built in 1639. It's a glass palace. It was used as a hall of private audience where the king and his friends and VIP guests would sit here. On your flashlights,
Okay.
and just put there.
So, yung reflection.
You'll see the carving of white marble.
Carving of the white marble.
Like Taj Mahal.
Like Taj Mahal.
Yes. All the flowers, you will not find the repetition. You'll see all the flowers are different.
No repetition?
Means all are different.
All are different.
No repetition.
Oh, wow.
And these are two chambers for the two ladies. First lady and second lady. The queens. Two queens.
So, they said that this is the best part to take photos. And then, yung other side naman is yung another area. It's made of lime. And ayan, ganyan siya. Ayan o. Everything's lime. Nag-reflect siya kapag lagyan niya siya ng light. Now we are going to the last part of this temple. So I think yun na yung pinaka highest part of this area. Medyo steep lang yung dadaanan natin. Yeah. So this is the hallway. Okay. Oh. It's so dark. Look guys, very nice. Very, hey. Nice architectural view. Paka-historic niya guys. Yeah, I so love it. Oh my god, very
That's
big
an
monkeys.
aerial view of the city from here. You can enjoy the
From here guys, so merong area na makikita nyo yung aerial view ng place. So, yeah. Ayan, so ganyan siya. Pwede niyang masilip yung view of the area. Ah, same view on the other side.
So we are going down and see the 3 levels all together in one square.
3 level.
3 levels from
Where?
one window.
Pagod na ako, nakaisa pa lang tayo.
So para siyang guys mini Great Wall of China. So ito naman yung view ng garden guys. So let's check the 3 levels. Okay guys, so ito daw yung 3 levels. So makikita nyo lahat dito mula din sa 1, 2, 3. So guys, we're going down na daw. So we're done na here kasi hanggang 10:30 lang yung tour natin dito. So roughly 1 hour to explore.
Inside.
Medyo steep, or I mean maliit lang yung way going down. Pero before we go down, eto muna yung makikita natin. Let's see. Let's try. Oh, ito naman para kayo nasa Rome, guys. Wow.
Down there we can see something for cooking. Look at the big pot right there. Cooking pot, and that's the kitchen.
Ang laki na kawali.
Para maka-stove guys, so spiral. So spiral siya, guys. So, one way. And we're done. This is it, guys. We're here. Heavy dresses, so they need a wheelchair to go upstairs. So like elevator. First.
To maintain the temperature.
Waterfall?
The waterfall to maintain the temperature.
Yeah, and to make it cooler. Guys,
Mga kababayan.
This is the most impressive room for you guys. Because I told you the king had 12 wives. How he managed with the 12 wives? 12 rooms. 12 wives.
Okay.
So that's the king's room up there. See, that's king's room. King's bedroom up there. That's the second passage. It's a passage connecting the
passage.
like fighting scene with the big king. The king's bedroom was the most powerful king of this area. His name was Man Singh. Man Singh Palace. And it's for ladies.
Ladies apartment.
Ladies apartment. So he made a secret passage.
Wow, nalaki ng apartment. Yaman talaga. 12, di ba 12 yung apartment? Sa panahon, apartment. I-explain sa'yo, exit.
Parang realistic scene.
Ayaw talaga paawat.
12 kasi yung wife. So they have all apartments.
Nobody there. 400 years back there was a king. Okay? And it is how he managed with all 12 ladies. Just choose.
Yun ang kasi sa amin.
It's 12 arches. Please come out.
12 arches, 12
O, 12 arches pa daw, guys.
Talaga pa nasa second pa lang tayo. Pero pa tayo 10 to.
Brewing na, ayan na.
Kailangan ko na ibang food yung Indian food kasi nakakasawa.
Oo nga, parang
Kahit masarap.
pure kasi yung kinakain mo, no? Ang ganda, parang sa mga Game of Thrones. Yung pag-steps.
Dito lumakad si Cersei Lannister na
Oo, no?
nakahubad.
Parang gano'n ako, bad.
Shame.
Shame. Shame.
Meron tayo.
Wow! Namaste, so goodbye na. Mahaba pala itong way na dadaanan natin bago itong super laking pawas. Ito yung lutoan nila dito, guys. For cooking pork. Ayan pa yun. We're back, guys! We're here again. Kung saan tayo nang galing? Okay guys, sobrang daming mga sellers dito, colorful lahat yung binibenta. Magaganda naman guys. Pero there's a specific place naman daw that we can buy them all those items for a cheaper price. So yeah, doon na lang kami pumunta. Next stop naman kami.
Okay guys, napamaba na tayo. So kasama natin sila ate at kuya. So
hintay na lang namin yung sasakyan namin palabas dito. Kasi bawal yung bus. So yan, usually yung mga jeep yung sinasakyan dito.
Four, three, two, one. You're safe. This one. Wala, buti na lang malamig-lamig tubig.
Si Dods ba yan? Nandito na tayo sa jeep tayo. Grabe. Pababa tayo. Ayan guys, punta na tayo ng Mount Pinatubo.
Ayun sa India. So, pinipicturean tayo ni ano?
Guns. For the Royal Retreat. Multi-cuisine. Ano talaga? Talagang puro marble sila dito. Fairness sa kanila.
Toilet is here. You can sit on the big table here. Big table. This is reserved for us.
Yeah, Jollibee. Ano? KFC? Jollibee. Spaghetti.
Ay, gusto ko ito okay na.
Pasta.
Okay na.
And then there's
Please right here.
Baingan masala. Paneer masala. And then rice. Sige, gusto ko yung sofa.
Ay, ako.
Ayan guys, actually yung pasta lang yung gustuhan namin.
Yung 300 na yun.
Actually guys, so ito, meron silang pita. Very hot pa. So we'll taste.
Parang kayo pizza.
Oo. Walang gawin. Diretso ka. Ayan guys. Oh yun, parang crust nung ano, pizza lang, ganun.
Sarap yan, may condensed milk.
Oo. Ang sarap ng Jollibee. Yan? Ay, yung sweet.
Pare-pares yung gas.
Andy Crab Haveli.
Ito yung souvenir shop lang po.
Oo, mga ano lang, souvenir. room. Little. I'll taste. So guys, may param sila.
Can we, no, we're...
Everybody has to feel the textures. Come. Walk on them.
Are we going to fly? Because it's flying.
Aladdin. Mura, yung pinakamaliit is $170 US, so up to 1,000 to 2,000 US dollars. So good luck. Pero pwede daw yung credit card, guys. And if you buy many carpets, so magbibigay daw sila ng discount. Thank you! Ang babait ninyo. Thank you. Okay, so may isa nang bibili sa wakas. Makakalabas na kami. Charot.
Let's clap for the second buyer.
Yung palakpakan na kami. Hindi na pwede mapawiin.
Hindi pwede ibalik yung palakpakan.
Ayaw namin mapahiya.
Wait lang.
Palakpakan na kami. Hindi na mababawi yung palakpak namin.
Kaya nga.
Oh, pag pumalakpak, bawal lang bawiin, ha? Eh, pumalakpak na tayo kanina.
Oh, ang ganda ng mga upuan.
Yeah. Textile.
Ang hirap yung gawin, ano?
Yes, super hirap. 4 to 5 months ka. Okay guys, so another floor. So yan, mga textile.
Ang kulay niya.
Ano, hindi ka ba nabudol? Guys, budol is real here. Oh wow, nice, pantulog. Robe.
Daming ganyan sa South Cotabato. Real ang dami nito sa South Cotabato. Nakapunta ka na ba ng South Cotabato?
Naman tayo sa Water Palace kasi bawal daw pumasok dun sa loob. So dito lang sa area na to magte-take ng photos, videos for just 15 minutes. Yan. Bawal daw pumasok sa palace kaya dito lang. Oh, alam na this. Labas na niya yung phone niya. Ganda. I-zoom natin. Guys, look. Ganda. So pupunta tayo dun sa area na mas maganda mag photoshoot sa Water Palace. So ayan, dito daw yung perfect spot. Actually, wala nang memory yung phone ko, so naka-action cam lang ako guys. Pero sobrang ganda niya in person. So again guys, nandito tayo sa City Palace, Jaipur. Okay, so ito na yung start ng tour guys. So yan, makikita nyo agad yung souvenir shop nila dito sa left side.
Hindi kayo makakapag-picture guys.
What?
Ginagawa siya.
Oh, ginagawa.
Guys, unfortunately.
Under construction.
Cabs, like Victorian cabs.
Kala ko si Sushmita Sen. Sino ba yan?
Sino? Last queen of Jaipur.
Queen of Jaipur.
Kasi last monarch. Kasi di ba naging democracy sila? So siya yung last.
Yeah.
You cannot appreciate it guys.
Why?
Maraming mga ginagawa kasi siya eh. So, makikita mo yan.
So?
Hindi ganun kaganda.
So?
Maganda.
Wow. Nagtatagalog na si Kuya. So ngayon, inside na tayo nitong City Palace. another area for the royal palace. Other side. So, perfect spot daw yan to take.
Have to hide the people. The 11th queen, and then the daughter of the queen, the daughter's 3 kids. The 3 kids of the daughter right here. First one who has been declared as a king. So is the next king now. You can see the present king. He's 25. Okay?
King na siya, di ba?
Prince Charles.
King na siya.
Prince Charles, 11th king. 11th king, sorry.
Oh, yung ganda.
Oh, nice print photography, oh.
Ano ba?
Nagulat na naman ako.
Jacqueline Kennedy. Okay?
First lady.
And the last queen.
This mas guwapo ka pa naman dyan.
Awag lang niya yun.
Felipe! Felipe! Bigitan mo kami.
Ganda ng mga symmetrical.
In the next one more.
Okay, so nandito na naman tayo sa another area. Pero may part kasi nire-renovate. Ayan, guys, so nire-renovate siya. Ang gaganda ng mga doors, guys. So kung yun yung mga bet nyo, pumos. Hindi ako mapayag. Ang laki pala nitong Royal Palace. I mean, City Palace. Ayan, guys. Sobrang daming ano dito, mga kalapati. 4:30 na. So, medyo lumalamig-lamig na ng konti. May fountain siya. Ganda ng door. Ang cute, oh. So, pwede kayo mag-take ng photo from the fountain. Hi! Jaipur. Bangles and artificial jewelry. Where? Oh, nice. So, ito yung parang back view ng Hawa Mahal. Nandito tayo sa likod going sa Hawa Mahal. So, ang pupuntahan pala natin is yung Tattoo Cafe. There's a fee of 250 rupees. Pero consumable naman daw siya. And there's no time limit. Guys, sobrang daming tao.
Mahal is a 5-story palace in Jaipur, India, known as the Palace of Winds for its unique facade featuring 953 small windows called Jharokas. Built in 1799 by Maharaja Sawai Pratap Singh, its primary purpose was to allow royal women to observe street festivals and daily life without being seen, while the lattice windows created a cooling breeze through the Venturi effect.
Oh my God! Lala! Oh no! Wait! Oh my God!
Hello, beautiful girl. How are you? I like it.
Jakarta, Bali.
Yeah, Bali, Indonesia. Uy, mag-ano ko nga. Uy, ang message na mo. Kasi. Sige, So, okay guys. So, paakyat na tayo sa The Tattoo Cafe and Lounge rooftop to have the perfect view of
She looks like Indian.
Hawa Mahal.
Yes.
Port 2. Saan tayo? Let's... Rooftop? Sana may sunset. Okay guys, we made it to the top ng the Tattoo Lounge and Cafe. At take note guys, ayan ang ganda ng sunset. And then in here, we can have a clear view of the Hawa Mahal. Ganda ng sunset. And may mga tao sa taas. So, yun yung sunset. And there's the Hawa Mahal. And this is yung ano nila, parang photo-off. Or dito ka pwede magpa-take ng picture. So, yan. View na rin ng city ng Jaipur. There, guys. Nag-light na yung city ng Jaipur. Excuse me. No more sunset na. Chill lang kami dito. It's now 5:50 p.m. So, dito na tayo magdi-dinner sa Tattoo Cafe. Na-overlook din ng yeah, coffee guys.
Nag-aantay siya.
So, sino sasabay sa akin?
Wala pang nagsasabi.
So, it's my dinner. So, creamy, cheesy burger, and cafe latte. That's the Hawa Mahal. Yeah. From the top floor of Tattoo Lounge and Bar. Okay, let's eat. Here's the burger. Okay guys, it's already actually 6:10 pa lang. Super dilim na dito. Now, nandito naman tayo sa second floor. Yan, pwede kayo magpa-picture dyan kapag nasa second floor kayo. Sobrang busy. Ito yung clear. Guys, so patapos na kami dito. Super daming tao. Okay guys, so ngayon nandito tayo sa night market ng Jaipur.
Pag nag-ayutaya pataya ka, pwede yan.
Sorry. It is now 8 p.m. The streets of
my life as Indian tourist.
Day 1.
So, dito po tayo sa...
Sawadika!
Sawadika! Mga pagod na. Wala na kami energy.
Pagod na, wala ng pera.
Pagod na, wala pang pera.
Enjoy.
Yeah, budol is real. Ayan. For 300 rupees. Narag na. It's 9:15 p.m. Finally, guys, nakakita rin kami ng convenience store. So, ayan. Guys, just Lord, struggle is real. Ang hirap magbiyahe. Pero masaya naman. Every stop, may nakikitang ano. Budol. Wow! Nagpa-vlog.
Marunong na mag-video eh.
Kaya
Ay, ang daming video. Ano?
Tama na. Napagod na tayo.
wala. Pink City.
Kaya nagpaganap na kami. Ito, pizza!
Nagsisisi ka na ba? Hindi tayo naglakad.
Ay, sumakay eh.
Malayo pa, 20 minutes pa. Na-walk. Lalakad. 20 minutes pa. Sa kanila, 2 minutes lang. Sa bilis, 3 minutes.
Kaya pumayag ng 150 lang.
Yes, oo. Ay, hindi pa. Diretso. Straight. Alam mo na kung saan.
Saan to?
There's bus.
Oh my God, finally! Nandito na kami sa hotel and it's now 10 p.m.
So that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all again on my next vlog. Bye!